Hello students, let's discuss the human blood circulatory system. Human blood circulatory system consists blood vessels and heart. So let us start with heart. Heart is actually a pumping organ in human body. What it pumps? It pumps blood to various parts of the body. That's why it is called a pumping organ of human body. Now, what is the location of this heart? Some of you will say that it is present on the left side of the thoracic cavity, right? But actually, the heart is not present on the left hand side. Heart is present just in between the two lungs above the diaphragm. Remember, the heart is present in between two lungs above the diaphragm. Then why it feels to be on left hand side? Reason is actually it is present in the middle, right? But you can see the shape of heart. It is somewhat triangular in shape, and this pointed part of the heart is present towards the left hand side. And when we are doing something, when we are working, at that time the most powerful contraction takes place here at this pointed part. That's why it feels to be on the left side of our thoracic cavity, but actually it is present in the middle of the thoracic cavity, just between the two lungs above the diaphragm. So location is clear to everyone. Remember, now you have to be very careful about learning the location of different organs also, because this is asked in the exams. Now comes the covering of heart. Heart is covered by two membrane covering, and that two membranous covering is known as pericardium. So covering of heart is called pericardium. It has two membranes in it. In between the membranes, one fluid is present, and that fluid is called pericardial fluid. Now, in your exam, the question may come, what is the function of pericardium? So, first function of pericardium is that it protects the heart from mechanical injury. Second function is that the pericardial fluid that is present in between the two membranes reduces friction during heartbeat, right? So two functions are clear. Pericardial fluid present between the two membranes reduces the friction during heartbeat, and number two, it protects the heart from any mechanical injury. Now we come to the chambers of the heart. Your heart is four chambered. So you can see four chambers here. This is the rough sketch showing four chambers of heart. The upper two chambers of heart are called auricles. They are also called atria. Lower two chambers of heart are called ventricles. So when you draw the diagram of heart, remember you have to mention this side as a right hand side, and this is your left hand side. Okay, so remember this thing. This is important to remember. This is right side, this is left side while making the figure. So right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle and left ventricle. Now walls of ventricles are more thicker than the walls of auricles. Question may come in your exam. Why the walls of ventricles are more thicker than the walls of auricles? Reason is that auricles pump the blood to ventricles. Auricles में से blood कहाँ आ रहा है? Ventricles में आ रहा है, ठीक है? And this right ventricle pumps the blood to lungs for purification, right? And this left ventricle pumps the blood to various parts of the body. तो कौन सा पार्ट दूर तक पंप कर रहा है? वेंट्रिकल्स, राइट। ऑरिकल्स तो बस वेंट्रिकल्स तक ला रहे हैं, वेंट्रिकल्स दूर तक पंप कर रहे हैं. दैट इज द रीजन walls of these ventricles are thicker than the walls of auricles.